Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 22, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayon January 22, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Monday, January 22, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 22, 2024 Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 38 million pesos for January 22, 2024 Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of January 22, 2024 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.